Okay, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add a product that has variations. Typically you'll have products that come in different sizes, different colors, different flavors, things of that sort, and you can add as many of those attributes as you'd like, but in this case this product comes in 3 different flavors, so it's only going to have 1 attribute. So we'll go ahead and get started here. I'm logged into my WordPress site, as you can see, and over here on the left hand side I'll come down under WooCommerce to products and add new product. First thing I want to do is give this a title, so my title is going to be Wonderland Magic Mushroom Chocolate Bars, or chocolate bar. And then for product description, this is going to be the long description. This is where you would want to put a paragraph or 2 about the product, and maybe some nutritional facts if it has to do with food or whatever, or if it was a t-shirt, you would want to do something about what type of fabric it was made out of, where it was made, things of that nature. And this first box is for the long description, and if you scroll down then you'll see one here for product short description. So what I'd like to do is go ahead and take the long description and paste it here. And again, it could be much more than this. You could actually put in how many milligrams, on and on and on, or grams or whatever, how much it weighs, the usage and all of that. And then I'll go down here and then do the same thing in here, except this will be the shorter version. I won't put in all of the specifics, like how many grams or ounces or whatever the product is. And then I'll go back up here, check everything else out, got this all going. So then the next thing is under product data right here. If it was just a product that didn't have any variables at all or any kind of variations whatsoever, then it would be a simple product. But in this case it's not going to be. It comes in 3 different flavors. So we click on that and come down here and select variable product. Okay, and I'm going to put in SKU. For the first one, this is going to be the basic SKU, which is going to be 0694. You'll use whatever it is that you want to use. If you want to use stock management, you'll select here. That's helpful if you need a reminder on when to reorder, because you can set a stock level. You can say I've got 50 in stock, and then if you select that, you'll notice that you can also say that you want to allow back orders or not. And you can also set the threshold to a number that will give you enough time to replenish your stock should you run out. For this example, I'm not going to use stock management. And then I'm going to come down here to variations. Okay, and I'm going to click on variations. Oh, excuse me, I need to select attributes first. So the attributes are going to be flavor. So I'm going to put in here the name is going to be flavor. Okay, and the first flavor is going to be milk chocolate. And then you'll do a space, and then I call this a pipe symbol. It's just a vertical bar, and it's typically the symbol that's above your backslash. You'll hit your shift key and hit that, and then another space, and then put in your next flavor, which is going to be dark chocolate mocha. Another space, another pipe, another space, and then the last flavor is going to be salted caramel. Okay, so I've got all 3 flavors in there. I'm going to say save attributes. Now, had this come in sizes as well, then we could also add sizes as an attribute, but this one is just flavor. So then I come down here to the variations. And what it's doing right now is it's looking at what we've added in as far as attributes go, and it's all ready for me to generate the variations. You can do it manually, but it's real simple to do it this way. I'm going to click on variations. It says, do I want to generate all variations? I do, because there's only one as flavor, and there's 3 different types of flavors. So it's going to be pretty simple and straightforward. So once you've done that, then you'll notice that we have milk chocolate, dark chocolate mocha, and salted caramel. And the system assigns sequential numbers here, 509 through 511. So I can come over here to the right of these drop-down boxes, and I can click on this. And I can go in here and I can put my SKU in. This first one's going to be 0694-1, and that's for the milk chocolate one. Okay, now I'm going to go in here and I'm going to pick my image. I've already uploaded this, but you can do that from your hard drive, wherever you have your images that you want to upload for this particular product. And then the regular price is going to be $38. Enter that in there, and that's all we have to do there. And you can save changes each time. It's kind of wise to do, or you can just jump down to the next one. So now I'm going to let the page reload, and I'm going to go down to the next one, which is the dark chocolate mocha. I'm going to put in the SKU there, which is 0694-2. And I'm going to select the image for that, and that's this one right here. Always remember to put in your alt text when you're doing this. Mine shows up automatically because I've already gone through this process before I started recording. So we got that, and the regular price on that is $38. If you're having a sale price, you could put that in there and schedule it and all that, but that's a whole different tutorial. Then you come down here and hit save one more time. And then I'm going to hit the salted caramel one and put in that SKU 0694-3. Go in here, and that's the salted caramel one. Again, alt text right there. It's good for SEO and accessibility and things like that. Had this been a live active store, I would have already had categories in here, and I would have picked categories. Pick the category for this particular product. You can also put in product tags here by separating them with commas. So you could put in mushroom chocolate, comma, Wonderland magic mushrooms, comma, whatever. You can add as many as you'd like. Put more of the common tags in there, and that also helps with visibility and SEO. So I've got all of those in there. I'm going to hit save one last time to make sure everything's in place, and let me see if I don't know if I remember to put the $38 in there or not. Let's go look and see. Oh, no I didn't. $38. Hit save. So now we should be good to go. I'm going to go back in and just spot check these. Got the price, got the SKU. Price, SKU. Price and SKU. Okay, so everything looks good. Now I'm going to hit publish. That's probably going to be the last thing you'll do once you've built out a product, added something new like this. And you'll notice by virtue of hitting that publish button over to the right there that we can come up here and hit view product, and that's going to let us preview the finished product. Now you'll notice here, and I did this on purpose, we don't have a photo here, but we do have everything else. We've got the description, the heading, the price, and the flavor options, which is milk chocolate, dark chocolate mocha, and salted caramel. If one of these, like for instance the dark chocolate mocha, cost more than the other two, then by virtue of adding that price in on the other side there, when you pick this up and select this, then this value would change on the fly. But everything else looks good. I'm going to go back and get out of this here and go back to the other page, because I do want a representative photo for right there, and I'll show you how to do that. That's right over here under set product image, and I'm just going to use one of those other one of these here, probably the milk chocolate one, as a representative photo. Since we've got three different ones, you're not going to put all three as one, so you'll just add that there. Come over here and set product image, hit update, and once you've hit update, then you'll notice you can go back up here to view product, And this time you have your representative photo right there. And that's it. There's a lot more you can do with this, of course, but this is the basic how to add products that have variations. I hope this helps. Have a great day.